Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. Children, in today's video of SSC board, we are going to solve chapter quadratic equation. Questions can come for the 4 marks. Now student, let's start the question number 1. Children, question number 1 is given. Present age of mother of Manish is 1 year more than 5 times the present age of Manish. 4 years before, if the product of their ages was 22, then find the present age of Manish and his mother. Children, here we don't know the age of Manish. So what will we assume? Let present age of Manish be X. Then her mother age is given 5 times of present age of Manish plus 1 year more. 5 times age of Manish means the Manish age we have taken X means 5X plus 1 because it is given 1 year more. Now student, 4 year before, Manish age will be, before means prior, X minus 4, and his mother age will be 5X plus 1 is given, here will do minus 4. So 5x minus 3 came. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 4 is bigger. So minus 3 will come. Now we have the Manish's age 4 year before and mother age also 4 year before is 5x minus 3. After that, student, the condition is given. If the product of their ages was 22, then find the present age of Manish and his mother. So product means the multiplication of Manish age and his mother age. X minus 4 is the age of Manish and 5x minus 3 is the age of mother equal to 22. First of all, we will solve the bracket. So we will take x in the first bracket and whole bracket 5x minus 3. Then minus 4, again whole bracket 5x minus 3 equal to 22. We will solve these first. X into 5x is 5x square minus x into 3 is 3x minus 4 5 is 20x minus plus 4 3 is 12 equal to 22. Done. Here like term is which? Minus 3x and minus 20x. So minus plus. So here we get 5x square minus 23x plus 12 equal to 22. Because 20 is bigger, so here sign will come minus 23x. Now children, so 22 will come to the left side become minus 22. So 5x square minus 23x minus 10 equal to 0. Now 5 times first term we have the coefficient 5 and the third term we have the coefficient minus 10. So here 5 times 50. So 50 we have to split. So we want the which number? Middle term minus 23. So 25 2 is 50. If we minus 2 from the 25, we get 23. But we want minus 23. So bigger number will put minus and smaller number will put plus. It means minus 25x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now, in starting two term, what is the common factor? 5x. So remaining will be x minus 5. So x minus 5 is a common factor. So it will come in the next one also. Now remain plus 2. So take the common term x minus 5 and uncommon is 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Now x minus 5 equal to 0 or 5x plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to positive 5 and here plus 2 become minus 2, 5 is given, the multiplication become divide. So x equal to minus 2 upon 5. It means the age cannot be in negative. It means x equal to minus 2 upon 5 is not possible. So we will take x equal to 5. So what the present age of Manisha? We have taken x. So present age of Manisha is now 5 years. And his mother is how much? 5x plus 1. So 5x plus 1 means 5 multiplied by 5 plus 1, we get 5 5 is 25 plus 1 26. Then here Manish mother age is 26 year. Somewhere I wrote the Manisha, but here name is Manish. The second one is given. In an orchard, there are total 200 trees are there. If the number of trees in each column is more by 10, then the number of trees in each row, and find the number of trees in each row. Here we have to find the number of trees in row. Now let's assume the number of trees in each row be x. The number of trees in each column will be x plus 10, because the condition is given that the tree in the column is more than by 10 by each row. So x plus 10. As per the given condition, the rows and column, if we multiply, we get the number of trees 200. So row is given x and the column is given x plus 10 equal to 200. We will solve the bracket first. X into x, x square, plus x into 10, 10x equal to 200. So 200 will come inside, become minus 200. Now minus 200 we will divide. We want 10. 20 10 ja 100. So what we want positive number, so we will put the positive number to 20x and negative to 10x. What is the common between the x square plus 20x? Here we get x plus 20. The same bracket we will write x plus 20. What is left in the third term? Minus 10. So now common bracket is x plus 20 and uncommon bracket is x minus 10 equal to 0. So here x plus 20 equal to 0 and x minus 10 is also equal to 0. So positive number become negative when it's go to the right side. So plus 20 become minus 20, minus 10 become plus 10. Number of trees can't be negative, so x equal to minus 20 is not possible. So what we will take? X equal to 10. So here we have to find the number of trees in each row, and we have assumed row what? X. The x number came 10. Number of trees in each row is 10. Now student, the third one is given. If the root of the given quadratic equations are real and equal, then find the value of m minus 12x square plus 2, m minus 12x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we will compare the quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here a value become m minus 12 and b value become 2, m minus 12 and c value is 2. So it is given in the question that the given root of the quadratic equation is real and equal. It means the b square minus 4 is c equal to 0. We'll substitute the value of b, a and c. So the b value is given 2m minus 12 whole square minus 4 into a value is m minus 12 into c value is 2. So square of 2 is 4 and m minus 12 whole square will take the formula of a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So m square minus 24m plus 144. Now 4 2s are 8, m minus 12 equal to 0. Now student, we will solve the second bracket. 8 into m, 8m, 8 into 12 is 96, minus minus plus. We'll solve the first bracket also. 4 into m square, 4m square minus 4 into 24 is 96m plus 4 into 144 we get 576. And already we have minus 8m plus 96 equal to 0. We will take the like term together. 4m square minus 96m minus 8m minus minus plus, it become 104m plus 576 plus 96 we get 672 equal to 0. Now dividing by 4 we get m square minus 26m plus 168 equal to 0. Now we will split the 168 and we want 26 answer. So it became 12, 14 ja 168. If we add both the 12 and 14 we get 26 and bigger number is minus. So we have to put both the number minus 12m and minus 14m. From the first and second term, what is the common? M. What will come in the bracket? M minus 12. Same bracket we will copy. M minus 12. So here get minus 14. So common bracket is M minus 12. M minus 14 equal to 0. So M minus 12 equal to 0. M minus 14 equal to 0. So minus number become plus. It means positive number. So here M equal to 12 and M equal to 14. So 12 and 14 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Understood? Now the fourth one is solve the following quadratic equation. 1 upon 4 minus p minus 1 upon 2 plus p equal to 1 upon 4. It is very important question, student. Now we will do the cross multiplication. 1 into 2 plus p, 4 minus p into 1. So cross multiplication we will do. So what we get? 2 plus p minus 4 minus p upon denominator we will multiply. 4 minus p into 2 plus p equal to 1 upon 4. We will open the bracket. What we get? 2 plus p minus 4 minus plus p. In the below one we get 4 2 ja 8 plus 4 into p 4p minus p into 2 is minus 2p minus plus minus p into p is p square. Now 1p plus in the numerator we had 2p. 1p plus 1p is 2p minus 4 minus 2 is 2. Bigger number is 4, so minus 2 will come. Now 4p minus 2p we get here also 2p. Now cross multiplication. 4 will multiply by 2p minus 2 equal to 1 will multiply 8 plus 2p minus p square. So 4 2 ja 8p minus 4 2 ja 8 equal to 8 plus 2p minus p square. We will arrange in the quadratic equation. So minus p square become plus p square, plus 2 become minus 2p. Already 8p is given in the left side, minus 8 is also given. The right side 8 is given in positive, become negative. We will take the like term. P square minus plus minus 8 minus 2 is 6p, minus plus minus 8 plus minus 8 we get minus 16. Now we have to split the 16 to get the 6. So what will come, student? 8 2 ja 16. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So we want plus 6. So here we will take positive 8 and negative 2. So we will take common factors. So what will come? P plus 8. Again p plus 8 will come. The third term what is remain? Minus 2. Now children, p plus 8 is a common term. And the p minus 2 equal to 0. So p plus 8 equal to 0 or p minus 2 is equal to 0. So positive 8 become minus 8 and negative become positive. So here we get the root of the given quadratic equation are minus 8 and 2. I hope you have understood these sums. And this is very important question, student. This can come for the exam. Now children, sum of the root of the quadratic equation is 5 and the sum of the cube is 35, and find the quadratic equation. Let the two root of the quadratic equations are alpha and beta, as we know. First condition is given, the sum of the root of the quadratic equation is 5, means alpha plus beta equal to 5, this is the equation number 1. The second condition is given, the cube of sum of the cubes, and cube of alpha plus cube of beta equal to is given 35, this is the equation number 2. Now as we know, alpha cube plus beta cube equal to, what the formula is given? Alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta. This is the formula for alpha cube plus beta cube. Substitute the value of alpha plus beta, and alpha cube plus beta cube is 35 equal to alpha plus beta. In the first condition we get 5 minus 3 into alpha beta into alpha plus beta is 5. Here we have to substitute the value. So square of 5 is 125 become minus equal to minus 3 alpha beta into 5. So 125 minus 35, here we get minus 90 equal to 5 3 is 15 alpha beta minus 15 alpha beta. Now minus 15 will go to the left side, become divide. So minus 90 upon minus 15. 15 1 is 15, 15 6 is 90, minus cut. So alpha plus beta, alpha into beta we get 6. Now the required quadratic equation is as follow. The formula is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Already we have the value of alpha plus beta is 5 and alpha into beta we got the value 6. Here we get x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 is our quadratic equation. I hope you have understood. Please like and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.